Hi all, today I'm going to take you through how you can update more than one sheet at once. So when we check these sheets, logistics, sales, ops, HR, they're all the same. So we want to add a column here. So what you do, you press a control click on one on each of them. Then all of them will be selected or they will be grouped. We want to copy this format painter. We select the same to S, so I'll copy this, select this. So when I check all of them, I'll find that the update has worked for all. So let's put a calculation this time. So again, I select all of them by pressing a shift, by clicking on one sheet by one. So we are going to put here a formula. So I'll put here, this is let's say budget. Then I'll put here formula equals to random. I'm creating data. Let me create numbers between 1 and 9. I'll close this, enter, then drag this up to the bottom. So the moment I do that, when we move to each of the sheet, you'll find that we have created the same update. Let's go ahead and create another update by clicking on all of them. This time I want to get this value, I divide it by the budget. So I can go ahead and lock this by pressing Ctrl F4 on your keyboard, enter. So you can put this to 2 decimal places. We can put this to 2 decimal places, then we fill up to the bottom. So you'll find that every sheet, this is HR, this is ops, this is sales, and this is logistics, all filled at once. Bye bye, meet you in the next video.